The best compact cameras for 2024. Tiny Titans. Acquiring the finest products on the market can pose a challenge, and thus, we extend our assistance. Presented here are recommendations for the top 6 products. Kindly peruse the detailed description below for additional information and pricing. Panasonic Lumix ZS-80D. We love the travel and user-friendly Panasonic Lumix ZS-80D digital camera for its pocket-sized profile and zoom capabilities. With a built-in 30x zoom lens, it offers photographers a range stretching from 24 to 720 millimeters, meaning it's capable of shooting everything from portraits and landscape to cityscapes and wildlife. Camera shake is no problem with the built-in image stabilizer, and video shooters don't need to sacrifice quality thanks to 4K photo mode. The handy flip-up screen is ideal for taking selfies, and resolution on the display screen is impressive. The maximum aperture is 3.3, so it can handle semi-low light conditions as well, but it's not ideal for very low light. This camera offers the ability to shoot in JPEG or RAW formats as well. This is a fantastic option for beginner to intermediate photographers in need of a travel-sized camera that shoots in everything from wide-angle to telephoto lens. It has a 30x zoom lens, giving photographers a wide range in a compact camera. Sony ZV-1. The Sony RX100 point-and-shoot cameras have been a favorite compact camera for travel for decades. Each time they bring out a new model, they just increase in quality and functionality, specifically when it comes to video performance. The Sony RX100 is a popular secondary camera for photographers who don't want to bring their bulky DSLR cameras to places. You can adjust the ISO, shutter speed, and maximum aperture settings. What stands out about the Sony RX100 is its size. This camera may be small enough to fit in your pocket, but all good things come in small packages. It has stunning image quality and a powerful zoom lens, allowing you to capture breathtaking landscapes and vibrant street scenes like a pro. The RX100 Mark VII's autofocus is ridiculously fast and accurate, which is ideal for those who may be on a safari and looking to capture fast-moving animals. No more blurry shots or missed moments. Plus, it shoots incredible 4K videos, so that you can relive those travel memories in stunning detail. It also has a flip-up screen, which is perfect for selfies and vlogging. Ricoh GR IIIx. Discover the exceptional capabilities of the Ricoh GR IIIx, a sleek and powerful digital compact camera designed to elevate your photography. Boasting a 24-megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor, this camera delivers stunning image quality with impressive detail and clarity. The included 40mm f2.8 GR lens in the 35mm format ensures sharp and vibrant shots across various shooting scenarios. Compact yet robust, the Ricoh GR IIIx is the perfect companion for photographers on the go. Its advanced features include a high-performance autofocus system and a wide ISO range for exceptional low-light performance. The 3-axis in-body image stabilization further enhances the camera's versatility, allowing for steady shots in challenging conditions. With its black finish, the Ricoh GR IIIx exudes a timeless elegance. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual shooter, this camera combines portability with professional-grade features, making it an ideal choice for capturing life's moments with precision and style. Leica Q3. An upgrade to the Leica Q2 version of the company's classic rangefinder camera, we love how easy to use and versatile the Leica Q3 is across a wide array of shooting conditions. This fresh model allows for in-camera charging, which is a worthy upgrade from the previous one. The same full-frame capabilities are now paired with a powerhouse 60-megapixel high-resolution sensor, hybrid AF autofocus system, and 8K video recording ability. The processing is speedy for both shooting stills and video, and boasts continuous shooting up to 15 frames per second. The fixed 28mm 1.7 prime lens is impressive even in low-light conditions, and a full battery charge will score you approximately 350 shots. The Leica Q3 is an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced photographers seeking high-end equipment for everyday purposes and professional jobs. The front of the camera has a flat design, making it tricky to grip at times. It's fast and performs well in most lighting conditions. Polaroid Go. It's easy to believe Polaroid claims that the Go is the world's smallest instant camera once you get one in your hand. At 105 by 84 by 61 millimeters, the diminutive plastic body fit neatly in your palm and makes the Polaroid Now look positively gigantic. Because it keeps the same boxy, retro-inspired shape and button layout as the Polaroid Now, don't expect portability on a par with a compact digital camera. The Go is only just small enough to fit in the back pocket of your jeans and is more at home in a jacket or a handbag. It's impossible to miss the digital shot counters next to the power button, which should hopefully stop you prematurely opening the film drawer and ruining any shot you have remaining in the currently loaded pack. The viewfinder may be slightly offset from the camera lens, but what you see through it largely indicates what is captured. Selfie fans will also appreciate the lens-facing sides of the viewfinder, which effectively doubles as a giant mirror and helps with composition. The smaller dimensions make it so much simpler to hold than the Polaroid Now, which can be unwieldy. What looks blue through the viewfinder can often end up with a purple tint, transforming skylines and providing a different perspective on a scene. It's not an unpleasant effect, but Fuji's Insta-X film tends to be more true to life, if that's what you're after. Polaroid's film produces a delightful mix of detailed yet lo-fi pictures with eye-catching color. And although there's no autofocus here, which can make close-ups a bit of a stumbling block, it's surprisingly capable in most lighting conditions. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the best action camera that you can buy. While it's largely unchanged from its predecessor, it costs $100 less than the Hero 11 did at launch, something we are very happy to see given such a moderate specs boost. Video performance has been boosted over the Hero 11 despite having the same resolution sensor. The Hero 12 shoots 5.3K 60p versus the Hero 11's 5K 30p for higher resolution and smoother footage. There's now also support for Bluetooth headphones, so you can use wireless earbuds to record clean audio without the need for a separate microphone. Water resistance is the same, as is the design, screens, and dimension. Horizon and image stabilization are again unchanged, but these were fantastic in the Hero 11 anyway, so that's not a bad thing. Unfortunately, premium editing features are again locked behind a paid subscription. The Hero 12 Black adds new high-tech capabilities to the suite of features included in previous models, like better quality video, a wider field of view, and the ability to film for up to 155 minutes. Weighing a tiny 154 grams, it promises to be easier to use, with simplified camera controls, ability to connect with Apple AirPods, and a vertical capture mode to make social sharing easier. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.